Want to know how to build AI-generated game maps automatically? Let's break it down. First, choose an AI tool or engine that supports procedural content generation like ChatGPT plugins, Unity AI tools, Unreal Engine with AI-driven map generations. These platforms can design terrains, cities, or dungeon in settings. Next, set your parameters. Decide the size of the map, the environment type, desert, forest, sci-fi world, and difficulty settings. AI thrives on prompt, so the clearer you are, the most accurate the results. Then, let the AI generate your base map. Many tools now add pathfinding, loot placement, and spawn points automatically, saving hours of manual design. You can even use AI textures and asset generators to fill the world with realistic details. Finally, test your map inside the game engine. If something feels off, tweak your prompt and regenerate. AI allows rapid irritations until you're happy. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.